WA Sender software and how can you use. First of all, go on our website and updated option from downloaded the file. So now downloaded the file. After completed the file download, you can use the trial code. Okay, so we have also reseller master plan, distributor plan, so you can get from always me updated and resell option and single license you can get from me. So after download the file, runway option, click more info, and then runway option click. Then you saw the my control panel. This is my control panel, and next. Okay, and from the download option you can do always updated file install. Here the WA Sender and WCRM, and finish now. And now I will use trial code and copy and paste here, confirm now. So now I will do add my account. Here you can do unlimited your account add. Now QR code scan from my mobile phone, right? You can do multiple account you use, and you can do live chat. Okay, already added. And from the option you can do number generate, group grab, and from the option you can do group number grab and scrap. Here the option website from scrap, Google Map from data collection, and social media from data collection, and also here the Telegram, TikTok, YouTube, and also grab from web scrap. Okay, auto reply from, you can do auto reply exact match or contains. You can do auto reply add, and from the option contact list add, and here the option Kanban dashboard, and here the option campaign option, write a campaign name and copy paste number, and from CSV file upload or contact list import. And here the option quick reply, you can do easily quick reply add, and here the option multiple number add and live chat. Okay, so now I will do number tools option describe. So if you want to do number generate, so through the option you can do easily number generate, and country code add, my country code add 88, and area code this is 88, and number 11 and generate. Okay, my number is now generated. And you can do also number check, what is number WhatsApp or non WhatsApp, and you can do from here number count. Okay, so group tools from, you can do easily group member export, but this is not export option. You can do copy paste, and this is option is to create a group, just name, create and participant number add, and or my number by group is now created. This number is now created. Okay, so you can do also join a link, that means share links in your Facebook page, or this is option web script. So through the option you can from any website from information export, that means email and phone number export. And here the option Google Map data extractor. I'm import travel agency in Dhaka, so I want 20 numbers depth. So start now, just wait and see, we'll get 20 number. So here the phone number, address, and website and emails. Okay, and name, you can do export CSV file. Okay, here the option social media extractor. So write real estate agent, and country code, and Gmail I want, and I want from all platform. So here the all platform from data collection. Okay, you now export the CSV file. Okay, group group. So you can do easily group member finds if you have any group list. So through the option you can do a multiple number add. So if you want to your number warm up, so you should do add multiple number. So now I input my message template and select my account and the minimum interval and maximum interval site and click just wait. When you message template add, you should skip 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and just check my message already received. So this test number and WaMarketingSoft from rotation message, they are only rotation message, and here the option auto reply bot system and bot engine click. Here the option I want to do contains as or keyword at price, and here right I will input WA Sender price $10. Okay, so if you want to do personalized message, then you can do select this option and save. Okay, and now again you can check my auto reply system. Okay, when I input price, and again when I input price, and you check my message. Okay, and from the option I can do easily group from message, just one click and message input, and copy paste option from you can also message. Okay, and here the option contact list, if from your contact list you can do select number and you can do easily message, just use recipient. Okay, and from the option you can do copy paste also, and I am write a test message campaign, and from the option you can CSV file import, copy paste, or group member or contact list. Okay, copy paste I have input the number, so here the poll, location, and contact text and media. So you can do also schedule message. So now I want to message from this and group this number. Okay, so I want to test my number and I input my number here. So when you input the number, you should not use plus option. Okay, just use country code. Okay, I am input my test message, hello message test, just wait and see. Okay, I have received the message. Just wait, sometimes it will be delivered option. Here the option quick reply, you can do easily add quick reply, and quick reply added. From the option you can do multiple number manage from the option. And again I am checking my report, complete report. Okay, one message completed. Okay, so this is history, and this is account option, and this is setting option. From the option you can light and dark mode, and you can also use change logo, or you can do export your campaign if you want another PC use. And here the option select your device, select your number. From the option you can do easily message chatting. So I hope if you use or I hope if you check all section, I hope you can understand all things. Again I input test message. So here the option send from the two number and select option. Okay, yes, test message.